Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Crown Prince, Prime Minister. Your Excellency, Mr. Mohammed Shahbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Highnesses, Excellencies, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We seek your permission to start the signing ceremony on the Strategic Mutual Defense Agreement between the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, to be signed by His Royal Highness Prince Mohammed bin Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Crown Prince, Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and His Excellency Mr. Mohammed Shahbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.